Hi, this is Keith with How to Build Your Own Home, and I want to give you a warning. I've seen way too many people, even builders, and even especially owner builders, is they start with a terrible template, or they don't even have a template to work off. Now, what am I talking about? If you were to go to an attorney, all right, and ask them, can you draft a contract for me for this and that, and here's all the variables, all right? Well, they would probably have a template, especially if you're going to ask them to draft a business operating agreement between partners. They're going to have a template that they've tweaked and improved over the years, all right? If they were to do that just fresh, out of the box, there's going to probably be some errors or things omitted, things not included. And that's the advantage of a better budget template that has been used in the construction of many, many homes. So what am I talking about? I'm talking about a template that has at least over 100 line items for each subcontractor, each bid, all the costs that are there. If you don't have a budget that has a lot of line items, that has every line item that you can imagine for building a home. It could have a chimney cap, but you may not have a chimney cap. You may not have a fireplace. But if that budget has that in there, you now know, oh, did we have to include this? No, honey, we're not putting in a chimney. Oh, that's right, we don't need that. If you're not reminded of the things you need to put in a budget, you're going to miss the things that should be put in a budget. So go to howtobuildyourownhome.com. Click on the courses, and then when you select the self-managed course, it will have the checklist, the draw sheets, the subcontractor agreements, and the budget, and everything else you'll need. And in that budget, it has all the draws, where you can actually track your draws throughout the entire build. Get a budget that's been utilized by over 100 homes, by many different subcontractors who have come together to create a budget that's a working budget for you, so you know that you're not going to miss something and be over budget at the end of your build. This is a warning. Do not build until you get the right budget. This is Keith with How to Build Your Own Home.